In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and update your Google Calendar with ease, whether you're removing unneeded calendar participants or simply making some personal adjustments. This step-by-step guide will ensure you can navigate these tasks efficiently. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once you're there, type Google Calendar into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Google Calendar. Click on the link that will take you directly to the Google Calendar site. Once you've landed on the Google Calendar homepage, look carefully to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the calendars you have access to. Find the specific calendar that you'd like to customize or modify. Next to the name of this calendar, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these dots, which will open up a menu of more options and settings specific to that calendar. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This option will take you to a new page where you'll be able to adjust various settings related to this particular calendar. It's a great hub for making changes and ensuring the calendar meets all your needs. At this stage, one of the tasks you might want to perform is removing someone from your calendar. Perhaps their role or involvement has changed and they no longer need access. Scroll through the list of people who have access until you find the person you'd like to remove. You'll see a small X icon beside each name symbolizing removal. By clicking on this X, you'll effectively remove that person's access. For this demonstration, I'll remove 3 people, but of course, only do this as necessary for your situation. Remember, managing your calendar isn't just about organization, it's about maintaining productivity and efficiency. By customizing and keeping your calendar up to date, you ensure that all necessary parties are informed and that your own schedule is as clear and concise as possible. By following these steps, you've just made your Google Calendar work a bit better for you. Feel free to explore other settings and customize further according to your needs. Google Calendar is a powerful tool, and by understanding how to personalize it, you can better manage your time and commitments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that streamline your digital life. Thanks for watching, and happy calendaring.